Hey guys, it's Tegwin. Okay, I haven't done a video in a long time. About 3 months now. And let's see what else happened. I had the geoskate competition. Didn't go very much well as planned. I thought it would be a little bit bigger, but people showed up. That's the start, right? And got a few things I want to talk to you about today. My commitment to quit smoking cigarettes, and in doing this, I've been doing a little bit of thinking. I'm going to start running again. I'm going to get back into parkour because therefore it further makes you stop smoking because, you know, you can't really do things if you can't breathe. I want to talk about my absolutely horrible Chinese food restaurant experience today. So, me and my wife.
Hi.
This is Jeanette. This is my wife.
That's me.
Everybody. We went to the Mandarin today, and they were playing country music at a Chinese food restaurant. The General Tso's chicken was not spicy, it was sweet, and the crab rangoons tasted like complete butt. Give your opinion.
It was awful.
She's a woman of many words, what can I say? And, what else has happened in the last 3 months? We had a new baby. I will not disclose her name nor picture on here, so don't get your hopes up. Mads is doing good. She's getting big. So, yeah. And, yeah. So anyway, alright, I'm going to start. There's a few things I'm going to be recording on here and doing. I'm going to try to give skate lessons. I'm going to try to give parkour lessons. And we're going to follow my progress on learning the guitar. I've been playing for a little over a year now, and I still suck. So I figure if I do videos on it, then maybe I'll get a little bit better. Excuse me. Let's see. This right here on my shirt is the great Geoskate logo. Geoskate is a skateboarding / extreme sports non-profit organization, and we do fundraisers to help build skate parks and other things in places that don't have them, to get the kids off the street and into a better environment in which they need to grow up in. I have kids. Honestly, I don't want my kids growing up like most of the kids that I see nowadays. Not pointing any fingers. That kid. And, yeah. So we have a new addition to the family other than the baby. And I want y'all to meet him. This here is Iggy. He's the greatest cat in the world. Aren't you, Iggy? Great. Yes. He's got a little thing here. Pet for life. He's part of the family. And, he's a good kitty. Alright, guys. Some thought for the day. What is my thought for the day? Thought for the day. Why play country music at a Chinese food restaurant? What music should you actually play at a Chinese food restaurant? Nobody knows what Chinese music sounds like or understands anything that they're saying in America, because due to the fact of, you know, impotency, most people in America don't know Chinese. So, question to you for the day. Go ahead and comment. Let me see some of your comments on it. What kind of music should you play at a Chinese food restaurant so that we enjoy our experience better? Cooking should also be a little bit better. Especially, I mean, $6 buffet, yeah, that's great. The food should be a little better. Any thoughts?
You should not be unappetized when you eat at a Chinese food restaurant. You should want to eat the food that you have on your plate.
Oh my goodness, you should.
It
Yes.
was that bad.
It was horrible. So me and my wife, we're gonna start doing videos together. More of like a bonding thing. She's gonna be for my skate exercises and everything. She's gonna be my film artist. Still learning film editing, so they're just gonna be straight through videos for right now until I can learn everything that I need to know, and then we'll start doing some cool videos. We're gonna have another geoskate competition this summer. I don't exactly know when. I will update you guys on that. If you do follow Geoskate on Facebook, I will be deleting my Facebook here soon, so my YouTube will become the official Geoskate site also. So you can just subscribe there. And that's pretty much it. First video in 3 months, not bad. 6 minutes. I'm gonna start doing videos weekly, so bye.